Right. Yes, can you hear me, all of you? Can you hear me, guys? Right. Right. So, guys, in today's session, we will discuss about uh, degrees of comparison, guys. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison, guys. All of you. Today, we'll go through which one? Degrees of comparison. Right. So, what is the meaning of this one, sir? What is the meaning of this one? Just so see. These are used to compare like people, or to compare the places, or to compare the any things, guys, things or any ideas also, to compare either people or places or things or ideas. Okay, means just to improve the quality more, guys, to improve the quality of the people or places, anything, right? Anything, guys. We'll discuss very clearly. Observe now here. There are three types of degrees, guys. The first one is what? Positive degree, guys. First one. The second one is comparative. Okay, comparative degree. Allow comparative degree. The third one is superlative degree, guys. Okay, superlative degree. All of right. Which one? Positive, comparative, superlative degree. Three types are there. Three types of degrees. Right. So what is the meaning of positive degree? What is the meaning of? First we will see individual one by one, guys. Later we combine three, so you get more interested later, right? Okay. Positive means like you can say simply Ram or anyone. Okay, anyone. Ram is tall. That's all. Ram. See, it's a positive sentence, right? Ram is tall boy. Ram is tall, a tall boy, like this. Okay, tall boy, guys, right? Tall boy, like this. Or you can take suppose this book is interesting. This book is what? Interesting. Okay, interesting, guys, interesting, all of you. Let's take suppose she is beautiful girl. She is beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl, like this, right? If you observe here, these all are positive sentences, guys, right? These all are positive sentences. All of you. So this is what positive degree, guys. Positive degree. All of you. Right. Now coming to the second one is what here? Comparative degree. Yes. Now see the examples here for comparative degree, guys. Here the same first example, Ram is tall boy. The same we say that Ram is taller than something. Some name Ramya, like this, guys. This is what comparison, right? Comparison between two persons now. Comparison between two persons. Ram is taller. Here only tall. Here taller than Ramya. Or often. Or let's take the second example. This book is interesting. The same one we say that here. This book is more interesting. Okay, interesting than which one? Then another book, guys. Okay, another book. Then that book. That's all. This book, that book. That's all, guys. Okay, that book. This book is more interesting than that book. That book. All of them. And suppose the third one, the same third one. She is beautiful girl. She is more beautiful. Okay, more beautiful than suppose her sister, like this. Means in comparative, we are comparing between two things, either two places or two persons or two things. See, Ram, Ramya. Ram is taller, taller than. Here more interesting than, and here more beautiful than. Right? So comparison between two persons, guys. Here Ram, this book, she. Here Ramya, that book, her sister. Right? This is what comparative, right? Comparative, guys. The third one is what superlative, superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree, guys. Here the third one. What is the meaning of superlative degree? Yes. Now, guys, observe here. Again, we use the same one. First, Ram is the tallest boy. Tallest boy in the entire class. In the entire class. Now, observe, guys, here. Here, just you are speaking only Ram is tall boy. Okay, just you are talking about that person. That's all. Right? But here comparing Ram and Ramya. So taller. But you're comparing Ram with all people. There we use what here? Tallest. So tall, taller, tallest. Okay, tallest, guys. All of you. All of observe here. Right? And the second is what? The book is interesting. The book is more interesting. Then we can say here. Okay, I say which one here? This book is most interesting, guys, right? Interesting, most interesting book, more interesting book, right? All of you. Here more interesting. Here most interesting, guys. Then third one, suppose she is the most beautiful girl in the class or in the school. Here that girl is comparing with her sister, but the girl is comparing with entire school, entire book. Okay. This book is the most interesting book in the self. Self means what? In that self, suppose some 20 books are there. Out of all the 20 books, this is the most interesting book, guys. It is most interesting book. All of you. Clear now, guys? These three types. All of that may know. So clear now these three types. Right, guys. Now you give some examples. On positive degree, guys. All of you give some examples on positive degree. But here, guys, I'll give a little bit more clarity. Here some rules are there, guys. See, because here tall, taller, tallest. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. But here just this book is. But I am adding the more here and adding the most here, right? All of you. If you observe here, we don't have either tall or short like that. Just only this book is there. And I am adding the more here, I am adding the most interesting here. Same for girl also, only girl is there. Here more, here most. Like that, there are some rules, guys, to remember here. First, see the rules. All of observe here. What rules we have to follow? Means the first one, guys. See, based on the syllable. Guys, syllable means syllable. Syllable, okay? Syllable, guys, right? Syllable means what? The word, suppose observe here. Beautiful. How many syllables are there? 3 syllables, guys. 3 syllables. The same case, tall. Just only 1 syllable. Tall, right? Only one syllable guys, okay, one syllable, tall. So if the word has one syllable, tall, short, all of you, right? Small, big, these all are the one syllable words guys, okay, one syllable word. If one syllable guys, okay, one syllable words are there, right? In that case, just we add er and est guys, est, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest. So short is the one syllable. See, we know that tall, short are the adjective guys, right? Adjectives that we know, adjectives, right? Adjectives guys. If it is a one syllable word, one syllable adjective, then add est. Suppose observe now. Let's take the tall. Tall is what? One syllable adjective. Then what we do? Tall, and tall est. Taller, tallest. Small is one syllable adjective, right? Then what we say here? Smaller, okay, and smallest, est. And est guys, est. All of you. Let's take the short. He is a very short boy. It's very short. The building is very short. Then short, one word, right? One syllable. Then we can take here smarter, short, okay, shorter, and then shortest, okay, shortest guys, right? Shortest like this. All of right. If you have the one syllable, suppose you have two syllable guys, okay. If you have two syllable word is there, two syllable adjective, okay. Two syllable adjective is there. For that one we add more and most guys. More, most we add. More and most. Suppose observe here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Two syllable guys, right? All of you. Intelligent, right? All of you. So like that, suppose if you observe here, beauty, one syllable, and full is the another syllable, beautiful, right? Okay. For that we add more beautiful, and most beautiful. That's all. Intelligent, okay, intelligent guys, okay, intelligent. Then what we add here? More intelligent, okay, and most intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, like that. If you have two syllable, see, we think beautiful, no, beautiful, intelligent, like that. There which one? There are two syllable words guys, one syllable, two syllable, and there are some other type is there. They are called irregular adjective guys, okay, irregular adjectives, like examples. Suppose good. If good is there, then what we take here? We take the better and best guys. Good, better, best. Good, better, best, right? Suppose bad is there, bad, then worse, and worst, like this. All of right? Bad, worse, and worst, like this guys. Little, less, and least. That's all. Little, less, least. Little, less, least. Let's take for example, far, very far, right? Far. Then farther, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, right? Farther, and we can say here farthest, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, THEST, farthest, right? All of you. Far, farther, farthest. Sometimes we had the spelling FAR, also, guys. All of you. FAR or FUR. Mostly we see FUR. But both are correct, guys. FAR, both are correct only. So these are guys like this. These are the irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives, guys. All of you. Right. Now, if you observe here, now, interesting. So 2 syllable. So what we use? More we use and most we use. Beautiful. So more beautiful and most beautiful. And tall. 1 syllable. So taller and tallest, guys. Tallest. All of you. Okay. Suppose if you observe now, if you say, guys, here, all of you, if you observe here, like let's take here, he is good student. He is good student, right? Good is the, if you get the good, then what we say here, he is better student, and then what we say here, he is the best student. He is the which one? He is the best student, like this, guys. So good, better, best. Good, better, best, guys. Okay, best student, like this. All of them. Now, guys, give some examples on positive degree, guys. All of them. The session, everybody give some examples on positive degree. All of them. Like for example, see, let's take here all of you. I give some examples on 3 comparison, guys. Just observe now. I can say like all of you here. Suppose Rajesh is tall. Same. Rajesh is taller than. Same, guys. Taller, and Rajesh is tallest in the class. All of you. Suppose let's take the house, guys. The house is small. The house is small, only small. Okay, small, guys. And then what we say here? The house is smaller than other houses. Or this house is smaller. Okay, smaller, right, guys? Smaller than other houses, right? And here this house is smallest, right, guys? This is what smallest than other houses. This house is small. This house is smaller than other house. This house is smallest than other houses. All of you, right? And we can say the car is very fast. The car is very fast. Car is very fast. And I can say the car is okay, very faster, very fast, right? Faster, guys, here. And the car is the fastest car than other cars. Other cars. All of you. Like that, this 1 syllable, guys. If you take 2 or more syllables, like let's take expensive, guys. Okay, expensive. What is there? Expensive, right? Expensive. What is there? Right? The phone is expensive. The phone is expensive. The phone is expensive. Then, so the phone is more expensive than other phones, and the phone is the most expensive. The phone is the most expensive than all other phones. Or you can say iPhone 16 iPhone 16 Pro is the most expensive, model. Allah. In this case, I can say iPhone 16 is more expensive than some Samsung. And here, just iPhone 16 is the expensive phone. Just I am saying what here, iPhone 16 is expensive. Here, more expensive than Samsung. It is the most expensive in the model. All of you. Right. We can say here, for example, any movie, guys. Okay, any movie. Triple R is a good movie. Triple R is good movie. The same we say that here. Triple R is a better movie than something like suppose Bahubali 1, guys, for example. Okay, Bahubali 1, for example. Triple R is the best movie in suppose Tollywood, like this, right? So good, better, best, guys. Good, better, best, like this. Alafu. We can say one example like this. We can say what here. The same good, better, best. We get multiple examples, guys. Multiple examples. Suppose Mr. Modi is good PM. Mr. Modi is the better PM than suppose Manmohan Singh. Mr. Modi is the best CM in the world, like this. This comparison increasing, guys, right? That quality is increasing. Just I am saying what, just see the example. What I am saying, the first example only. Mr. Modi is a good CM, a good PM. That is okay. Just I am saying positive about that person. Mr. Modi is the good PM. I want to give a little bit more boosting. How you give more boosting? By comparing with other person. Right? Other person. So I say that what here? Mr. Modi is better PM than suppose Mr. Manmohan Singh, for example, guys. Here just saying only positive about the person. To give the more boosting, the same person compared with other person. And to give more boosting, the same person compared with all other persons, guys. Compared with all other persons, that means what here? Mr. Modi is the best PM in the world, That's all. Means just adding the boosting, guys. Boosting to step by step. This is what just a positive sentence. Here I am comparing with other person, and here superlative means what? Compare with all other, guys. All other. That's what superlative. All up, right? Okay. So we can say your friend or anybody. You are. Okay. Same, guys, right? Beautiful girl. You are beautiful girl. Means just we are saying positive about that girl. And to give more boosting, just we have to compare with other person. So what we say? You are better. But beautiful means two syllable, guys, right? Then what we say? Two syllable means more beautiful. More beautiful than other anyone girl, okay? Other girl, guys, right? Other than your sister, other girl, okay? Some other name. Or you can say some name like Ramya, guys. Okay, some name Ramya like this. Means what is saying here? You are telling to your friend that you are more beautiful than other Ramya, right? And to give more boosting, we say that what here you are the most beautiful, beautiful, beautiful in the world like this. All of you. So first one, what guys here? The first one is just a positive degree. Just you're talking about her in a positive way, positive degree. The second one is a comparative. Means the same person we are giving positive, but by comparing with other person, guys. By comparing with other person, we are saying positive. By comparing. Then the third one is not comparing with other person, compare with all other people, guys. Compare with all other people. That is what superlative. First only positive. Comparative means compare with one person. Superlative means what? Compare with all other people, all other things. Compare with all other. That's why I said what here. You are the most beautiful girl in the entire world. Means I am comparing that girl with entire girls, all girls in the world. All girls in the world. That is what superlative. Here also same, right? Here also, what I am saying first one here, what I am saying here, Mr. Modi is the good PM. Just a positive sentence about him. But our second one here, compare to the other person. Mr. Modi is better PM than some other person, okay? Then third one what here, Mr. Modi is the best PM in the entire world. In the entire world. Allahu. Same here also what is there? So Triple R is the good movie. Triple R, right? Next, compare with other movie. Triple R is better than Bahubali 1. And compare with all other movies in the entire industry, I am comparing here. Triple R, the best movie in the Tollywood, like this. For example, I am giving these things, guys. So positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Superlative degree. All of you guys let me know. Sonu Kumar will give an example. Narayana sir is the intelligent teacher. Intelligent is the two syllable, right? That's why second one what here? Narayana sir is a more intelligent teacher than other person, okay? Then what third one? Most intelligent, right? Okay, Narayana sir is the more intelligent than other teacher. Okay, I'm repeat. Very good, correct. C is a old language. C is a old language, right? That is what positive. And C is oldest. C is older than Python, right? And C is the oldest language in the world. So second is what? Older, oldest. Okay. Guys, remaining you reply here. The chat box, I am waiting for your reply. Right. And guys, let's see like some more examples. All of you. See, it's about comparing with the persons, right, guys? Persons like that. And let's see one example, guys. One example here. What does that means? Suppose I say here, I take here milk is a healthy, right? Milk is healthy. That is what positive, right? And I can say is healthier than which one soft drink. Okay, soft drinks, guys, right? And superlative is what milk is the healthiest drink. That's all. Allow milk is what healthiest drink. Healthiest drink, right? So milk is healthy. Milk is healthier than soft drinks. Milk is the healthiest drink in all the drinks, like that. Allow. And here observe now. Suppose my mobile is useful. That's all. My mobile is useful. That's what positive, right? Positive. And useful. 2 syllables, right? We say that what here? My mobile is more useful than something laptop. For example, guys, okay? Laptop or than tablet, right? Tablet. That's what comparison, right? Separate means what here? My mobile is the most useful device that I own, right? Okay, means whatever devices I have, it can be mobiles, tabs, okay, or laptops, computers, whatever it is. Out of all, my mobile is the most useful device. My mobile is the most useful device, guys. All of you. Right. So I hope guys we are clear about these degrees of comparison. Now guys, I'll ask you some questions. Just to comment, guys, your answer. Okay, all of you. Don't say like is it a comparison, positive or superlative. Just give one sentence with blank. Just you try to fill that one, guys. Okay, all of you. Right. Observe now. Suppose let's take here any name with Ramya is a and Swan singer. Yes. Now fill the blank, guys, here. Fill the blank here. And the I'll take the good, guys. Okay, good. Now observe here. For good, we have good, better, best, right? Then what is suitable here? Here, suitable good or better or best. Based on the good is what? Positive. Now here, do you take the Ramesh good singer, Ramesh better singer, Ramesh the most okay, best singer. All of you. Ame is what? Good, right? A good singer. Okay. Ame is a good singer. All of you. Okay. Next one. Let's take suppose my house is yes. In our street, guys. Okay. And I am going to use the adjective. Suppose big. Ah, big, bigger, biggest, which is correct one here. Bigger, bigger, biggest. All of you. Sonu Kumar, sir, I have one doubt. I will say Triple R is the best movie. Is the right or wrong? Correct only. Triple R is the best movie. See, Triple R is good movie. Just you are saying about that, it is a good movie without any comparison. Allah observe here. One doubt is the Triple R is the best movie. Is this right or wrong? Is this right or wrong? Right? See. Observe here, Triple R is a good movie. That means what here? I am not comparing with any other movie. I am saying about Triple R in a positive sentence, that's all. Triple R is good movie. Okay. If you want to compare with one other movie, then Triple R is better movie than some other name you have to give because you are comparing, right? Comparing. Then some Bahubali one like this, and Triple R is the best movie. Then which one? Then all other movies are best movie in Tollywood, like that, guys. Right? This is correct only. This is just extension only in Tollywood, in Indian cinema. In the world, the extension, guys. If we add, then it gives more boosting for this one. If you say best movie, there is best movie only Tollywood or entire Telugu cinema or entire worldwise all cinema, all movies. Just comparing more, giving more boosting. Okay, right. Tell me now. Here, what do we use now? Do we use bigger, biggest? See, I am comparing with the entire street, guys, right? I am comparing the entire street. So what we use? We can use biggest in entire house in our street, because you are comparing with all the street movie, all the street, right? Okay, so we say biggest, guys. We say what here? Biggest. Okay. All of you. Suppose the exam or this exam is so I am giving then last exam. Here I am giving the difficult. Now, is it difficult, more difficult, or most difficult? Is it difficult or more difficult, or most difficult? Let me know, guys, which one correct here. All of you. So, this exam is difficult than last exam. This exam is more difficult than last exam. This exam is more difficult than last exam, which is correct one here. See, this exam I compare with the other exam. This is what comparison, right? This is what comparison. So positive in comparison we get what more difficult, guys. Okay, it's comparison, right? In comparison we get more, right? What is the answer here? More difficult. Okay. Next one, observe here. Suppose Hyderabad is the city in Telangana. Then here, which one? Big city na, or bigger city na, or else biggest city na. Which one? Hyderabad is the big city in Telangana. Hyderabad is the bigger city in Telangana. Hyderabad is the biggest city in Telangana. Which one, guys, here? See here that Hyderabad is not compared with any other city. If I compare with any other city, then we use what? Comparative. But I am comparing all cities in Hyderabad, entire Telangana. That Hyderabad, comparing with all cities in Telangana, then what we use? Biggest, right? Hyderabad is the biggest city, right? The same case, suppose I use Hyderabad is suppose is city, then suppose let's take Vikarabad. Then tell me now, which one, guys, here? Which one here? Now tell me. In this case, which is the correct one? Hyderabad is a dash city, then Vikarabad. Here what is happening? I am comparing the two cities here, right? Okay. I am comparing two cities, guys. Two cities. This is what comparative. Then what we use? What we use? Tell me here. What is the answer, guys, here? Sai Ganesh, Gopal Reddy, Vijay, Sonu. What is the answer here? Bigger, right? Bigger city. Next one, same. Hyderabad is dash city. That's all. In this case, tell me what is the answer here? In this case, what is the answer here? All of you. Here, just I am talking about Hyderabad, no comparison. Here, compare with one city, compare with all cities. See difference, guys, all of you. Here, just I am talking about Hyderabad. Hyderabad is big city, that's all. But I am comparing here, then what we use? Bigger. Here, Hyderabad is compared with one city, right? So, bigger. Here, Hyderabad compared with all cities in Telangana. Then what here? Biggest, right? Biggest, guys. Okay. So, that's what you can observe. Here, whether I am comparing or not. If not comparing, that is what? Positive. Compare with one city, then comparative. Compare with all cities in Telangana, then superlative. That's all. Right. And next one, guys, observe here one more example, and we stop it with this one. Right. Now, guys, observe here. I will take what here? Let's take suppose Ramesh is okay. Player. That's all. Ramesh is player, right? Player. Then tell me here, is it a good player, or is it a better player, or is it a best player? Tell me now here. What is the answer here? Ramesh is a good player. Ramesh is a better player. Ramesh is a best player. See, by seeing the sentence, tell me, guys, here. By seeing the sentence exactly here, any comparison is there or no comparison is there. If comparison is there with one person, with multiple persons, that's what you have to observe clearly. Ramesh is what? Ramesh is what here? Ramesh is a good player. So what's the answer here? The answer is what? The answer is a good player. That's all. Now you may have doubt now, sir. If I use like Ramesh is the best player, sir, then is any problem? If I use Ramesh is a best player, is right or wrong? See, it's correct only, guys. Correct only, but not completely complete example, guys. Here it's correct only, but still something is missing here. When you use the best, you should compare with all other people. When you use the best, you should compare with all other people, guys, compulsorily. But if you speak like this also, it's also correct only, guys. No mistake here. But to be perfect, we should compare. Next one, observe here. Ramesh is player than let's take Kishore. Tell me here now, all of you. What is the answer here? Is it answer good or better or best? Good, better, best. Ramesh is dash player than Kishore. Ramesh is good player than Kishore. Ramesh is a better player than Kishore. Ramesh is a best player than Kishore. All of you. Which one here? Better player. Why tell me? Why it is better player, guys? Tell me. Why it is better answer here? Why it is better here? All of you. Why the answer is better? Why not the good? Why not the best? Because you are comparing with only one person, right? Very good. Compare with only one person, right? That's why it is what a better person. Suppose the next one, Ramesh is okay, is a player in that team. Now tell me here, guys. Now in that team, what is the answer now? Ramesh is a good player in that team. Ramesh is a better player in that team. Ramesh is the best player in that team. All of you. Ramesh is good player in that team. Ramesh is better player in that team. Ramesh is the best player in that team. What's the answer? Ramesh is what? Ramesh is the best player. Right. See, guys, if you observe now, see, Ramesh is good player in the team. Sentence wise, it's a meaningful, guys. No mistake here. Ramesh is a better player in the team. Ramesh is a best player in the team. See, three are giving a proper meaning only, but boosting level is a difference. Good, better, best. Best means what? That's number one, guys. Okay, all of you. Right. Suppose the next one, guys, let's take here Syamala is girl, that's all. And here I want take here shorter, and then shortest. Yes, tell me, guys, here. Syamala is short girl, or Syamala is shorter girl, and Syamala is shortest girl. Syamala is what? Syamala is what here? All of you. What is Shyamla? Shyamla is shortest. What is the answer here? This is what short, right? Why it is short here? Why it is short? Why it is short? Why not the shorter? Why not the shortest? Why it is shorter, guys? Tell me now. Why it is short here? Because here Shyamala is not comparing with any other girl. Just I am talking about only Shyamala without any comparison. Then we take what positive. All right? Okay. Very good. Next one, Shyamala is girl, then Vimala. Tell me now. Tell me here. What is the answer, guys, here? What is the answer? Tell me now. All of you. Shyamala is shorter than Vimala. Why? Because I am comparing with one girl, right? And the last one is Shyamala. Shyamala is I am giving like this. Is a girl in the class. That's all. Now, what is the answer here? Shyamala is the girl in the class. Which one, guys? Tell me now. What is the answer here? Shortest. Shyamala is the shortest girl in the class. Why? Because observe here. Here Shyamala, no comparison. Here Shyamala compare with one. Shyamala compare with more. More in the class. So this is what just positive. This is what comparative with one person, and which one is superlative, because compared with the multiple persons, guys, here, right? So I hope, guys, all of you are very clear how to use this degrees of comparison, right? Guys, let me know. See, when we studied 10th class, intermediate, degree, at the time also we had this concept, guys, right? Yes or no? We have that one. But now, again, you attend to the class. Allah, right? In our degree school days also, already you listened this class already. Now you are listening now. Right? Okay. So do you feel that, okay, here you understand more or not? Allah, right? In our school days, college days, already we listened this concept so many times, I hope. But in this class, again we listened here. So now do you feel that yes, it's useful here? This video is useful to us. Do you feel like that? All of you, just comment here, guys. right. Okay. Yes, guys, right? Fine. See, at that time also, our teachers, guys, they're excellent. They told very well. But at that time, we did not concentrated more. That's the difference, guys, right? Not about that teaching, not about that trainer is good or bad. The thing is, our concentration different. Maybe at that time. At that time, maybe we did not focus very well, or maybe at that time they did not teach very well that concept. Hmm? Right. Okay. So fine, guys. Now we stop it for today. So guys, see, almost after half class over, more students join today. First half an hour, 20 minutes, less students are there. Later, more join, right? So that's why, guys, I request every day if you subscribe and click the bell icon, you get notification whenever I start the meeting. See, here I am sharing the link. At that time, maybe you did not see the WhatsApp. So that's why lately you are joining. But if you subscribe and click bell icon, you get notification. If you start maybe 5 minutes early, 5 minutes delay, you can get notification, guys, in the live. Okay, right. So fine, guys, all of you. We'll stop it now. You continue tomorrow. Thank you, all of you, guys. Bye.